folks. Thanks for joining me today. And here we are at my art show. These are my canvas paintings that I do. I love Indigenous art, and I love to throw in my little piece of me into it. These are some of my Mad River rocks that I do with the scenery, and I just love doing these. They're so fun, and everybody really liked them too. It was a very successful weekend. I had a lot of fun. There's some of my mugs that I paint, um, just different designs and things. Here's some more Mad River rocks, ones that usually sell very, very quickly at my shows that I do. So, and a lot of these sold, so I have a lot of work to do. These are the wind spinners that I call them, made out of CDs that I paint on. And I put these in windows, things like that. Here's some of my smaller ones, and you'll see an owl there in the background. That's a print of one of my paintings. And here's some more of the bigger rocks, and these ones are the ones that I normally paint on. So this size here, you'll recognize some of these if you've been a long time viewer. I enjoy these sizes the best. These are my soul symbol rocks from January through December, and they all come with a card. Now, these you wouldn't have seen, my little spooky trees and some of my Halloween rocks and things like that. My spooky trees are so fun to make, but they take forever. My little circle of friends of tombstones and grim reapers all were a huge hit. A little cauldron, and that guy's eyes glow in the dark. It's really cool. And here's some of the bigger rocks. So these are the mold fours. I actually sold that dragon eye. And these you would definitely recognize if you've been around. These are the flowers of the month that I have painted so far. And I did sell some of those as well. And then here's some more of my canvas painting. That one's done all in dots, as well as the phoenix and this one. So thanks for stopping by.